They're bringing over a couple pallets of the darker tiles to mix in. It was a blend that they sent over, but they sent the wrong blend over. It was a little lighter than it was supposed to be, so this will make it look pretty close to what we ordered. That's it. Okay, well, Rick and Ricky are back. We haven't seen them for a while, and they're painting dirt again. I guess they're going to be building a wall here. So here are the cabinets for the snack bar, and this side is going to have the sink, and there's going to be a microwave on the bottom over here, and there's some trim pieces that Casey's working on right now. He's putting some of this trim on the bottom here. And it looks like he's put some of the trim in here in the laundry room too, under the cabinet. You know, this is for the recessed lighting over here. Well, Rick and his son Ricky are back, and they were here earlier in the building of this house. They built the foundation and the all the block work in the back. And right now they're putting in a footing for the posts for the gate on the side. So Rick's setting the first chorus right now. Well, there's 3 pipes going under the driveway, sideways here. That one inside the larger pipe is always under pressure. It's a water pipe, and the one to the left is another water pipe, and then to the right, that gray one is electrical. The gray one and the one on the left are not being used right now. They're just for future use. There's the drain pipe, and here it is again, and there it is down there by the curb. I'm going to show us how to solder that pipe. So what are you doing right now?
Heating up the middle. The solder flows towards the source of the heat, so your heat back area will want to go towards the heat.
Oh, okay. You put any kind of flux or anything under there?
Yeah, we've got flux, lead-free solder, then only the best solder for you. This is solid gold.
Oh, okay, good, good. How do you know when you have enough solder in there?
You know what I've always thought is that the 1-inch fitting, you can get by with 1 inch of solder. I've always run a little bit more than that.
Oh, 1 inch on the. Oh, okay.
Since it's a 1-inch fitting, you 1 inch on here, but
Well, that's interesting.
normally you see a drip on the bottom, and you know it kind of carried through. And then I like to do the vertical ones last because your solder still wants to drip sometimes, but it's hot enough where it wants to go up instead of drip down.
Well, that's good. You don't tin them or anything first, do you?
No, not, it's like the brazing or the silver solder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then what we did here is we have 2 hose bibs. One here is going to be on your high pressure side. It's be about 105 pounds. And then your regulator is going to be inside the wall here. And this hose bib will be like 65 pounds, 70 pounds.
Oh, that's interesting.
So this is good for washing your cars and stuff like that. And then I just put the other one out here just in case you want low pressure. But it's nice to have that high pressure hose bib.
See, you have a custom home builder, you get all these extras. You just check to see how hot it is?
Yeah. And then you put a little cap on it sometimes. The lead-free solder, the old leaded solder would let you bead it up, put a nice bead on there, but this stuff doesn't let you do it.
So what's the solder made out of now? There's no lead in it. Tin?
Tin, yeah, 95.5. It's
It's Friday afternoon and we're upstairs in the master bathroom. And Casey's working on these cabinets, putting the drawer slides in. And Chet wasn't here. He's worked his way out of the shower, out into the toilet room. And he's starting to put the liner on. It's going to be a rock liner. It's going to have this little ledge on the top. He made this out of another piece of I can't think of the stone now. And he rounded it off and polished it. Cabin in the hallway upstairs, and there's the upper part. We're down on the first floor now, and Casey's put in the cabinet here, just to the right of the snack bar area. And you can put 8 shelves in here, 2 in each little compartment. Well, the garage door people are over here today, and they got the side garage door partly on, and it looks like some panels for the other garage door over here. And there's some more sections of the garage door here. Maybe everything's here, I don't know. And the masons were here. They built the wall yesterday. This wall over here, the pillars there for the gate, and they started forming up for the sidewalk. We're going to have a sidewalk in here. There's going to be a couple planters in here. The yard's really shaping up. We're starting to see what it's going to look like. So there's a sidewalk going through here. There's a planter here. Okay, the roofers were also here today. There's 3 of them up on the roof, and they got the front part on. And I don't know how far back they went. And I'll take a picture later on when all the trucks and everything's out of the way.